How do you insert a new row into a SQL table? Most developers know the basic syntax, but miss the details that prevent errors in production. The foundation is insert into followed by the table name, then values with your data in parentheses. For a users table, you'd write insert into users values followed by your values. This is the most basic form where you provide data for every column in the table's order. But here's the critical detail. Always specify column names explicitly. Write insert into users with column names in parentheses, then values. This makes your code self-documenting and protects against table structure changes. If someone adds a column later, your insert won't break. Your values must match the column data types exactly and appear in the same order as your column list. An integer column needs a number, a varchar needs a string in quotes, and a date needs proper date formatting. Mismatch types will cause the database to reject your insert. You can insert multiple rows in a single statement by separating value sets with commas. This is much faster than individual inserts. For bulk operations, insert into select lets you copy data from another table or query result, perfect for data migrations or backups. For optional columns, you can omit them from your column list and the database will use null or the column's default value. Just make sure those columns allow nulls or have defaults configured, otherwise your insert will fail. Master insert by using explicit column names, matching data types precisely, and leveraging batch operations when needed. Practice on Interview Mentor to nail your next SQL interview. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.